Gold failed to breach past 1940 and traded bearish. In fact, it has dropped till towards 1917 while I asked you to sell at 1934 1930 zone. I hope you all profited. Likewise, silver has given good swings on the upside and downside. 2375 has provided it a resistance yesterday, stronger resistance. Now, what to expect today? Can we expect a further drop or both of these are going to rise? Which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next update on gold will be released before the US session. Do watch that also. Let's start. First we look into gold followed by silver. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Note down the levels and trade as per the level. Now these are the early charts for gold. 1940 is the ceiling out there, only above which you can buy. Till the time it trades below 1940, do not buy gold. Very clear. Till the time it trades above 1940, do not buy gold. At the same time, if you look at the hourly chart, see after resisting here at 1937, 1935 levels, it has dropped significantly and now back to a good support at 1930. Once it trades below 1930, you can again expect a little drop which might take it till towards 1925, 1920 levels and see a rise, rise, retracement again and see higher lows are seen. That is what you should observe here. Yesterday I told you that it is giving you higher lows and once again 1920 levels are going to remain a very good support. Achieving those levels, probably it can show you a little swing. See the directional movement here is bearish, stochastic dropping from the overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is trading bearish. The RSI is looking down also. And if you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also, similar is the observation. But if you connect the dots from the lows here, you will observe that 1920, 1922 levels are going to be an extremely good support here. The probability of it hitting these levels also exists. So yes, only buy entry above 1940 and sell entry till 1935 you can sell the rise there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic was overbought looking downwards here. The MACD has crossed over. This is trading with divergence. This is the first red candle. RSI is also looking downwards here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. Now see, rise, sharp red candle, retracement, again looking downwards. So probably it can come back till towards 1920 levels. And once it draws below 1915, if it draws below 1915, stay short further and we can observe a further sharper drop. See, 1915, 1910 is going to be an extremely stronger support here. Directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic dropping, MACD bearish, it is crossed over again for sell, RSI looking downwards. And if you look at 4-hour charts, similar observation on the 4-hour charts too. So one thing is clear, it has to see first, it has to sustain above 1940 only, then only you can buy. That is very clear. Also if you look at higher lows are seen, so it has to breach past 1915 levels in order to confirm further bearishness and trade downwards. Then you can in fact expect $1900 also. But whether it is going to happen today, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that needs to be seen. Directional movement is divergent and bearish, stochastic dropping, the MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bearish. RSI is also looking down, indicating bearishness here. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Most importantly, see last two candles, higher highs, higher lows. So probably today it can give a breakdown, and if it gives a breakout, it is going to be a sharper breakout which might in fact take it further low. So be cautious with the buys today. Only above 1940 you can think of buying gold, and till 1935 every rise is an opportunity to sell. So rather wait for 1935-34 levels and you can sell there with a stop loss at 1940. But still be cautious. I do not run markets and hence you need to trade safely. Those who want to take a safe trade, you should sell at 1925 levels. Those who wants to trade safe should sell at 1925 levels, below which 1920 is expected, 1915 can be seen, and below that a further sharper drop can be seen. And hence take your trades accordingly. If you look at directional movement is moderately bullish, stochastic is near to overbought zone. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this time the crossover can be sharp enough for it to trade bearish. The RSI is trading overbought, now looking downwards here. So considering this, only buy position above 1940, sell below. Those who wants to trade comfortable so should only enter below 1925, and those who want to risk a little can sell every rise till 1935 levels. But remember, it can also show you a range bound movement, and hence you need to trade with extreme caution. For the week, probably we can see only little movement and little swings this week, complete week. So trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch 19 starting 6th of February. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at silver here. For silver, yesterday we saw 2375 acted as a wall, a strong wall for silver, and with that as resistance, now it is trading with a drop. So what it is trying to do, see, rise, sharper drop, retracement, and again looking forward to a drop here. And this time if it drops, it can be a sharper drop, which in fact take it below 2320 level. So what you can do is sell at 2340, which is extremely good support. Below that 2330, 2320, these two are very strong support, and below that only little more bearishness can be expected. In fact, I will recommend you to sell at 2350 levels, or rather 2345 levels. See, nearby supports, and hence you can sell at 2350, but see, you have to be cautious at 2345, then 2340 levels, and then 2330, 2320 till 2320. It has got very good support. See, on the hourly charts, you may find resistances at a nearby levels, but however 2340, 2320, these two are extremely good supports. Directional movement is moderately bearish. Stochastic has dropped significantly. The MACD is trying to cross over again for a sell. RSI is looking downwards, showing little weakness. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now on the 2-hour charts too, there is a ceiling 2375. With that as resistance, it is looking downwards, and this can be nasty, which might take it till towards possibly 2320, 2330 levels. Now if you see this zone is going to be increasingly important at 2330 levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic dropping from the highs, the MACD trying to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI is also looking down here. On the 3-hour charts also similar is the observation. Yes, it has to break past 2380 for it to sustain the bullish momentum. So you can buy at 2375 and expect it to rise a little. 2380, $24 are the next target levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic at highs, MACD is bullish, trying to converge again for a sell, RSI looking down. And if you look at 4-hour chart, similar observation, drop, retracement, and again looking forward to a downward move, possibly 2350, below which you can sell for 2340, 2330, and 20 levels. 2330, 2320 are going to be an increasingly good support. Below 2340, there could be little more bearishness. Directional movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is overbought here on the 4-hour charts. The MACD is in green, but very little divergence it is trying to trade. RSI is looking down. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, 2375 and 80 is also the 20 period moving average, which is now curving downwards. So this is going to be an increasingly important resistance zone, beyond which only you can confirm that there is bullishness. So once it trades beyond 2380, confirm that it is going to rise for $24 levels again, and in fact higher levels can also be seen if it breaks past this zone. On the downside, once it breaks past 2350, you can sell for 2340. Now 2340, very good support. Then 2320, these two levels and this zone is going to be An extremely good support for silver. Only if it breaks past this zone you can expect 23, and below that sharper drop can be seen there. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic flat, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards here. So considering for the day, you can sell at 23.50 and buy at 23.75. For these 25 cents, do not trade silver below 23.50, 23.40, 23.20, $23 are going to be an extremely good support, and then below that 22.80 levels to be seen. On the upside, above 23.75, 23.80 is going to be the first resistance, and then beyond the $24 levels to be seen. Beyond 24, see, till 24, 20, 24, 60 levels, it can again reverse it is if it continues to. Hence, always keep the profit limits as smaller, keep booking profits, and keep re-entering if you have if you see it trading with the same direction and same conviction. You should keep re-entering, booking smaller profits and entering at a lower levels. Likewise, you can increase your capital, increase your wealth, else the swings might eat it all. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.